One thitango ngũrani citiganĩte nĩ mekinyĩtie thĩinĩ wa igoti rĩa Mombatha mbere ya mũcirithania mũnene Alex Ithuku na kũrĩa ningĩ marahoya marekererio na bodi. Ũndũ ũrĩa ũtũngĩtie ũregani mũnene mũno makĩria nĩ mwena wa thitango. Tũthiĩ ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe nginya kũrĩa mwena wa gĩcũa-inĩ twambe tuone cira ũyũ ũrĩa ũrathiĩ na mbere.
You've been told that no, you've just been making averments and you have not given any evidence. These are bail bond. These are bail bond here. Evidence will be tendered at trial. Evidence as to whether the accused persons committed or did not commit these offences will be tendered at trial, Your Honor. And at this instance, what is before you is whether we have given compelling reasons that should move you to bail bond. And it is our argument, Your Honor, that indeed we have given these reasons. And we urge this court, yes, we urge this court, Your Honor, to allow application. Your Honor, we have been accused of career and academic lethargy.
You want to address that?
Your Honor, and the reason you were told, let me just address one. You were told is because you have accused these people of character antecedents. Your Honor, unfortunately, I believe the academic lethargy falls on the defense because they have not clearly read and understood our submissions. Because you never may guide the court, the issue of the character and antecedent of the accused person has just been directed to the first accused person, that is Paul Mackenzie, on which issues have been ably addressed by the IO in his affidavit. It is not, let me use the word that was used, it is not an omnibus syndrome, Your Honor. I believe my learned friend, Mr. Obonyo, really looked at the dictionary this morning before he came to court, Your Honor, but that is on a light. And Your Honor, with that said, we ask this court to ably allow application, deny bail bond terms, which will enable us, Your Honor, speedily hear this matter and ensure that there is administration of justice on all sides, on both the accused person. I believe the court had a look at the accused persons down there. Will ensure that there is a speedy trial, one that will be concluded in a fashionable matter, and there will be justice at the end of it.
Sorry? I don't understand. We are done with the application?
There's no, he has no rebuttal, whether on points of law or rumors.
Mr. Sindri.
Has no right. It is our application.
Now is the Constitution now directing you? You have taken over your court. There's no. I said there shall be no.
It is the law, Your
But
Honor.
in this phrase, every dog shall be allowed one bite. Especially dog. If one bite every minute.
The application is ours. They had a right of reply.
They have a right.
We have a right of rebuttal, and I think we do not need to have to decide.
Counsel, we've done this many times, all of us. They apply, you respond. If there are anything that need clarification or anything like on law, they respond. And then we get a date for ruling or directions. Otherwise, we can be here the whole day if there are points of law. This is what I'm saying, that if you raise what you are calling points of law, do they have a... And then the other question is, what have we been doing raised by you in your application? Mr. Makasembo, what
Aya tukima kore mwena wa gicua-ini tuthii mwe kwa mwe nginya kuria mwena wa Kirinyaga na mubango-ini wa kurumbuia andu aria mari na mawathe kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga. Riu bunge ya kaunti ino ni thundurite mutaratara mwega na uria megukorwo makihitukia nigetha kutua watho kuringana na uria urugamirire andu aria mari mawathe kuma kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga. Harrison Kariuki, watho uyu ni guteithiriria muno makiria hari uheani wa mawira na andu aya gukorwo makigunika na maundu matiganite.
Aya bunge ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga nĩ gĩgĩtanyĩtwo gũgĩkorwo gĩkĩarĩrĩria mendekithia kana mũtaratara ũrĩa gũgĩkorwo gĩkĩhĩtũkio gũgĩtuĩka watho wa gũkĩrũmbũiya andũ arĩa makĩrĩ na mawathe kaunti-inĩ ĩno ya Kirinyaga. Na kwa ihinda rĩrĩa tũgũgĩkorwo tũkĩaranĩria nake nĩ MC wa ũgĩthukio na ũrĩa ũkĩrũgamĩrĩire andũ arĩa makĩrĩ na mawathe bunge-inĩ ĩno ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga nĩwe Harrison Kariuki agĩtũtarĩria rĩngĩ mũtaratara ũyũ wa watho ũgũkorwo rĩngĩ ũkĩrĩ na maũndũ marĩkũ na ũgũkorwo ũgĩteithia andũ arĩa makĩrĩ na mawathe na njĩra ĩhana atĩa. Thengiũ mũno Harrison gũkĩokanĩra na ceceni ya Kameme TV hihi na njĩra ya naihenya no ũgĩtũtarĩrie nĩkĩ kĩ mũtaratara-inĩ ũyũ wa watho ũrĩa mũrakorwo mũgĩkĩendekithia wa gũgĩkorwo gũkĩrũmbũiya andũ arĩa makĩrĩ na mawathe kaunti-inĩ ĩno ya Kirinyaga.
Thank you muno ni gukorwo muroka guku kumenya uria tureka wira. Ritwa njitagwa Harrison Kariuki. Sign name yakwa nĩyo ĩyo na mũciĩ nĩ Karumande ward na niĩ ngoragwo represent andũ mena mawathe. Nĩ niĩ MCA nominated thĩinĩ wa Kirinyaga County na wĩra witũ ũkoragwo maita mathatũ: kũruta mawatho, gwĩka oversight na ningĩ ona represent andũ aitũ. Ithuĩ nĩ ajumbe a andũ aitũ, koguo nĩ turakena muno tondu mwaka ũyũ Kirinyaga County Assembly nĩ gũkorwo na bill ya 2023 na nĩ turenda kũmĩhĩtũkia very soon na tureterera public participation ati andũ moke mabeane mawatho maoni mao nigetha tumĩhĩtũkie ikorwe a bill official. Koguo ino Kirinyaga County Bill 2023 ya andũ mena mawathe ina maũndũ maingĩ muno no nĩ ngũ focus on a few things. For example, andũ mena mawathe mena right ya gũkorwo na access ya ũgitĩri mwega wa mwĩrĩ, koguo good service for health niyo turenda, na ningĩ access to information. For example, deaf community ni makoragwo na no nginya makorwo na interpreter nigetha gũkorwo na communication. For example, article 54 ya constitution yugaga andũ othe mena right to access information. Koguo ona andũ ta deaf community magĩrĩirwo nĩ gũkorwo na access to information because situation yao ĩkoragwo ngũrani na andũ arĩa makoragwo makĩigua. Ona tuonaga andũ arĩa blind makoragwo na kĩrĩa sticks ya kũmonia njĩra, koguo kuna maũndũ ngũrani ta assistive tuciĩtaga assistive devices, koguo gũkorwo na access to that. Na ningĩ ũboro wa gũkorwo na 5% access to job, yani 5% ya mawĩra igatigĩrwo andũ mena mawathe. Na ningĩ no nginya tukorwo na equality. Kirinyaga turenda equality in our society and ati kuigananio na andũ angĩ thĩinĩ wa society.
Koguo rĩngĩ nĩ tũgũkorwo tũkĩona nginya mathukuru maingĩ rĩngĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga magĩkorwo magĩgĩthundũrwo magĩkorwo kũrĩa andũ arĩa makĩrĩ na mawathe marĩkoragwo magĩgĩthomera.
Koguo kumagia tene nginyagia riu rĩrĩa ndaingĩrire parliament, Kirinyaga County nĩ tukoretwe na very few schools for people with disability. For example, andũ deaf makoragwo na Kerugoya school for the deaf pekee, gũtikoragwo na ĩngĩ thĩinĩ wa Kirinyaga County. Na blind school for the blind mathiaga nginyagia kũrĩa Thika, thukuru wa Thika school for the blind, Thika school for the blind. Na ningĩ andũ mena mental disability kana health issues very few mathiaga nja ya Kirinyaga County, no tuge ũguo. Koguo Kirinyaga County ikoragwo na very tugaga nĩ units thĩinĩ wa thukuru na units icio ititeithagia. Koguo wĩra witũ turenda ku advocate ati tukorwo na thukuru nyingĩ cia special school dedicated to andũ mena mawathe nigetha gũgakorwo nĩ raithi ati ciana kũthiĩ thukuru, bandũ ba kũthiĩ nginyagia Thika na nĩ gũte ta tigiti magakorwo na thĩna wa tigiti. many of them maumaga ko families ciena thina wa mbia koguo ni kaba gukorwo na special schools guku nigetha makoragwa makithie oku bandu ba kuthie nja ya county na ninge turirikane school fees is very expensive. It's more than school iria cia government cia kawaida. Special needs ciana cia special needs ibataraga school fees muingi muno koguo for example basari ni roka tugeta this week kana next week koguo ni turoria MCAs ninge ni turoria MCAs elected thini wa basari iyo allocation magakorwo ni marahe ciana cia mawathe mbeca nyingi gukira icio cingi tondu ni makoragwa na mabatara maingi makiria ya ciana icio cingi. Yeah.
Kariuki kuri we ni ukoretwo mubango-ini wa gutigira ati kuria mathibitari-ini gukina andu aria magikorwo magita uria ringi andu aria mataraiko magikigwa ni ugitigira ati ni magitungatirwo na njira igwete ringi mubango uyu kinyanire ha na ringi ni tukuona ugikinyanira ati mathie kuria mathibitari-ini marikoraga andu gukorwo makimaria kana ugitaura uria maraiko magikiuga.
Nima ni twaritie uboro ucio uboro wa access to service in hospitals yani gukorwa andu ni maraona services kuria thibitari na nurses na dagitari ni mabatari ni marenda training ya onokorwo ni basic sign language nigetha mamenye oria mundu murwaru aramera na mundu ucio angiuka arafu tugeta nurse amube ndawa iria itenjega kana which are contraindicated tugeta mundu deaf oka na ena ihu arafu abeo ndawa iria they are contraindicated no kubote gukorwa na thina koguo communication barrier kana gukorwa matirabota kwaraniria gatagati ka nurse na andu aria araru ni kurabatara gukorwo na interpreters no ninge ni turenda gukorwo na privacy kana consultation ya private tondo ucio interpreter ndagakoragwa na andu acio deaf o muthenya agakoragwa wa thibitari mwandike na thibitari na turirikane ni kurabatara specialist tondo mirimo mingi ta AIDS cancer interpreter ni agakoragwa baurira gugakorwa tuga na maseminar announcements cia thibitari no gatagati kanda gitari na nurse ni barende kana nurses na mandagitari mamenye basic ni tondo ni wonaga ringi deaf makoragwa matira trust interpreters kana andu ange ni ondo some information ni confidential kana ndarenda mundu unge amenye arenda kindu kiu gikore gatagati gake na ndagitari koguo turenda mandagitari muno mamenye sign language basic nigetha mabote kwaraniria na arwaru acio.
Ndumiriri yake tukirekereria kuri andu aria agikoretwo agikirugomera andu aria makina mawathe hiyo gwikwo ukimerira tana ringi ona kuri muingi gwikorwo makinyitira andu aria makina mawathe ni ugitwiria horo wa ukimahe gugikorwo magikiheo equal chances ringi akoneria gukiri na mawira. Nima ndirenda kuria andu othe aria mena disability thini wa Kirinyaga County mu make sure ni mwoka public participation tondu ni tugakorwo na that ni tugakorwo na kanya kau ga ko participate kureta maoni manyu nigetha tumenye kuria tungibota kuruta wira wega kana akorwo kuna maundu murenda turute thini wa birio kana kuongerera mutwire na ninge ngwenda ku encourage andu othe especially aciari mutware ciana ciothe thukuru kaihithe ati iria ina mawathe ati kuga kiu ni kirumi asa Ngai ari na mubango wake na Ngai nioe future yao ikavana na ena mubango mwega iguru riao na ya kathatu ni ati ni ku encourage ni tuona gata story ya Musa uria atumirwe ni Ngai na ndirenda kumu encourage na story hiyo na andu ni marariraga muno Ngai akimwira ndukamake ningu mutumira mundu na ninge ni atumire Musa na akimube muteithia wake uria ni Aaron tondo Musa ni arigagwo ni kwaria ni andu koguo mutikamake ati andu mena mawathe mangibota kuruta wira ati ni tubotaga wira na no turute wega muno. Thank you very much. Aya thengi muno ciagitagwo Harrison Kariuki niwe ukirugamagira aria makina mawathe bunge-ini no ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga na agikoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere gukirura ihoto cia andu aria makina mawathe no gwitigirira ati kaunti ya Kirinyaga ni yagikorwo ri kaunti ya mbere guku bururi-ini gutigirira ati ni yagitungatira andu aria makina mawathe na otugwa gitutaria ni ati makina mutaratara wa watho uria igithondekwo na uria ugikorwo gitoro ginya kuri muingi ugikorwo ikiheana mawoni mao hakiri kiria magikenda gikiongererwo o ndeto-ini no ya gukorwo makigacirithia utungata kuri andu aria mari na mawathe no gitigira ati magitungatirwo na makigwa makiganire kuringana na uria magitungatirwo kuma kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga guku ni bunge ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga kegucokerie mwaro mwena waku wa studio.
Nĩ ngatho Wairiina wakĩarie kuma kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga nĩ ũndũ wa riboti ĩyo arĩa marĩ na mawathe onao makorwo magĩkuruhanio thĩinĩ wa ũthii wa na mbere wa kaunti ĩyo. Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ kĩama kĩa arigitani gĩa KMPDU rĩu nĩ marĩrĩirie maũndũ matiganĩte megemaine na ũgima wa mwĩrĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, na marĩa nĩ hamwe na mũtaratara mwerũ wa kũheana motungata ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ wa SHIF. Kwa ndagĩka ĩno kĩama kĩu nĩ hingo marathiĩ na mbere na gĩikaro gĩkĩ. Ndĩrenda twambe tũthiĩ ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe
We can't allow the government to deny us the dignity of practicing what we have learned over these many years. The government seems to have adopted the policy of train and dump. They dump you as interns once you have graduated, they dump you after doing the internship without employment, and they dump you and frustrate you even when you're in school. We can't allow this. The callous uncertainty and delay in posting go beyond administrative negligence. We can reckoning havoc on the mental well-being of these dedicated health professionals. The repercussions of the unjustifiable delay extend to the patients who have to take long lines in the public facilities, who have then to seek care in the private facilities, who then have to look for different means of accessing care. We can't talk of universal health care while interns continue wallowing at home without being posted. The delay in posting in medical interns heaps additional burden to the already overworked, underpaid, and ill-motivated healthcare professionals, heightening the fatigue, burnout, and the undeniable decline in the standard of healthcare. This is egregious violations and blatant disregards of the well-being of both healthcare workers and the patients asked to stop. KMPDU condemns the Treasury in its wake to actually not prioritize healthcare, to deny the release of funds that are meant for training interns, to deny the release of funds that are meant to pay fees for postgraduate doctors, yet we know that the funds are available. It's a matter of priority, and we are asking, is Kenya really geared towards universal healthcare, or is it a mere rhetoric? We call upon the relevant authorities to swiftly acknowledge the constitutional rights of patients to access care and to prioritize the urgent allocation of funds for the immediate placement of all pending interns. The government must cease its empty rhetoric on UHC and start fulfilling its obligation to the healthcare sector, to prioritizing the well-being of workers and services to the patients. KMPDU stands resolute in commitments to advocate for the rights and welfare of all its members. And therefore today we have said it, that we want immediate posting of medical interns. We had an engagement with the Ministry of Health on 22nd of January, where they said interns will be posted in February. We had engagement in January 22nd, where they said interns will be posted in February. We also had another engagement last week Thursday, where they said interns should be posted, and there was a blame game with the Treasury. Today we are saying that all the interns, the doctor interns, that is the medical practitioners, the pharmacists, and the dentists, must get their letters for internship by 1st of March. That we expect all the interns to be reporting to their various institutions by 1st of March. Otherwise, on 29th of this February, we will all go to Ministry of Health to collect these letters. And again, we are saying, and we are putting the Ministry of Health, the Treasury, the Council of Governors, and the whole country, that if by 29th and by 1st of March we do not have direction on the posting of interns, all the doctors across the country will be on a go-slow.
Yes.
All the doctors on the country will be on the go-slow, because the issues of interns is not only for interns, it's for the entire workforce in the country. And therefore we are going to ensure that interns are posted latest by 1st of March 2024. Thank you.
Viva KMPDU, viva! Viva KMPDU, viva! Viva! Chairman, speak.
Aya ni twakiuma thiini wa giikaro kiu kiama gia KMPDU magikiaririria imwe ya mitaratara no ria watho uyu mweru mubango uyu mweru wa urigitani uria uragitwarithio na mbere ni thirikari. Ndirenda twambe twikirie ro hanini na ni ngatho ni undu wa uria uratwarana hamwe na ithui rondu mwana gutwandikira kuhitukira njira citiganite. Facebook ya Kameme TV Kenya ya kwa mundu kiumbe ni ya Gishimu Joseph. Twambe twikirie turacoka.
Kameme TV.
Oya mzito wewe hebu kam nikuplug, niko na ile kitu imebamba kila mtu kutoka Maslay Queen wote hadi wazae. Hii kitu ni noma kuruka, kitu kali itakupeleka dunia ingine. Hii stuff ni kama magic. Ni wewe tu umebaki mse, hapa utaweza kuexperience EPL yote, magame haziwezi kupita, na pia unaweza pata ma statistics manze, na bado kuna ma movies, series, soaps, cartoons na documentaries. Na kama wewe ni msichana like ma podcast, live radio, DJ mixes na hata live television, hapa uko sorted. Na unajua ni aje? Ni sare. Ni sare kabisa. Download the K24 Plus app upate free premium shows bila kesi.
Stream premium content popote ulipo. K24 Plus. Come nikuplug.
Jumamosi tariki 24 February, Kegwa Super Outdoor Arena Roiro Edition, Choma Zone Kurigania na Railways Roiro Town, live on Kameme TV. Ekarumione First Officer Jeff Joroge, DJ Caris, Waiza Kawaje, Jose Katutura, Samido, Mzima, Koroga, Edgar Zenge, Gazewa Jerry, Joyce Wamama, Garoya Jr., Martin Janet, Syke Jr., Nage, Koigira, Nogiriemwe. Jumamosi tariki 24 February, Turashabania, Chamazon, Kurigania, na Railways, Rural Town, Kegwa.
Weko maedia todhieshere.